Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be exploring Skillshare, a digital learning platform that has been making waves in the online education landscape. So I'll be going through everything you'd need to know to help you make an informed decision about whether it's the right fit for you. And if that sounds about right, then let's head right in. Alright, so first off, we'll start by addressing a fundamental question. Is Skillshare worth your time and money? And to put it simply, well, yes. Skillshare offers exceptional value for its price point. With a subscription fee of just $15 per month, depending on whether you're new to the platform, it might be less for an annual plan though. Either way, it's incredibly affordable compared to traditional education or other online learning platforms. Now, online platforms like YouTube, where content quality can vary widely, Skillshare does maintain stringent standards to ensure that every course delivers a high caliber learning experience. Now, this dedication to excellence sets Skillshare apart as a reliable source for knowledge and skills development. That said, let's delve into the vast array of content available on Skillshare. So from photography and graphic design to business management and of course creative writing, Skillshare offers an extensive catalog of courses covering virtually every topic imaginable. Whether you're a beginner looking to acquire new skills or of course an experienced professional seeking to deepen your expertise, you'll find a wealth of resources to support your learning journey. But what if you're interested in becoming a teacher on Skillshare? Well, the process is straightforward and accessible to anyone with valuable knowledge and of course expertise to share. Now, Skillshare provides comprehensive guidelines and resources to help prospective instructors create engaging and impactful courses that resonate with learners. Alright, so moving on, in terms of compensation, Skillshare rewards its instructors based on watch time, with payments processed monthly through PayPal. Now, this of course inspires instructors to create engaging and valuable content while ensuring a fair and transparent payment system. Now, based on my personal experience with Skillshare, I can say that it is an effective learning platform. However, it is important to acknowledge that Skillshare may have some limitations, particularly in some specialized topics where content offerings may be more limited. Either way, in conclusion, Skillshare is a dynamic and versatile platform that offers a wealth of opportunities for both learners and of course instructors alike. Whether you're looking to acquire new skills, expand your knowledge, or share your expertise with others, Skillshare provides a robust platform to support your educational goals. So, if you're ready to embark on a journey of learning and growth, I highly recommend giving Skillshare a try with its affordable pricing, high quality content, and of course supportive community. And that's kind of it for this video. So if this video did give you some insights to help you best decide whether to go for Skillshare, then do well to leave a like on the video and of course subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in another video.